Hi guys, welcome to Earth Evo. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Airpods 2, the second generation of these Airpods, and I'm very excited. So this Airpod has the Apple's H1 chip, which is the newest chip for Apple's earphones or headphones. Let's see what's inside the box. The lid comes out, and as soon as you open it, you see a designed by Apple in California logo, and you see the instructions and warranty manual with a file on with a booklet on how you should connect it. This is the warranty and safety and handling information. That's all you get in this. And next you get these AirPods. You get it with a pull tab so that as soon as you take it out, you can just open it. There you go. These are the AirPods. This is the AirPod which you get. You get a lightning cable, and you get this button to connect whichever device is apart from Mac OS or iPad OS. You should hold this button to connect it. If you just open it up, it's not going to work. Then the lightning cable is right beneath, I guess. You should see the lightning cable here. It's the same one which you get in your iPhone, but it's just more longer. So let's see. There's nothing much about it. It's so glossy, and you get the serial number of the device right here. And it also says designed by Apple in California. You get a chrome hinge right here. This is the button which I was talking about. And when you open it up, the green light pops up, which shows that your device is ready to connect, and also it has full battery. Now, let me show you how fast it connects for iOS or iPad OS devices. So this is my iPad Pro which I got. This is my iPad Pro, and this is the AirPods. It should work. Okay, I guess I need to connect it the same way. I think it only works on iOS. You can see that it blinks white. So let me just move to settings, Bluetooth, and on it. You see how fast it finds out. Just Mudlu's AirPods, and I just connect it, and I'm connected. That's how easy it is to connect to iPad OS or any other Apple devices. But for Windows devices, I'll just show you how to connect it at the end of the video. So let me just get back to the AirPods. Okay, now, so it's pretty small than expected. Okay, so now let's go straight to the features. So this is a true wireless earphone which is having Bluetooth 5.1, and this has in-ear, and this currently costs $159 in Best Buy, mostly about 18,000 Indian rupees. This battery life is about 5 hours and is pretty good, and is a plenty for a small earphone like this. But there is one disadvantage, which these AirPods, the plain AirPods, don't offer ear tips like the AirPods Pros, which you have to buy for $220, which is just more better than this, but I don't think that's worth it. And this also has Siri built in, so that you can just press the button on the side and you can just speak to Siri. So there's a charging case, as I told you, with the lightning to USB-C cable, and I got the white color since that's the only color left. But there are other copycats with other brands who copied the AirPods, giving golden colors, black, blue, and many more. And there is one feature with the AirPods. There are two features, in fact, which resemble for audio quality. These AirPods have sound isolating mics, and also has spatial audio, so that you won't get any background noises when you put them, and you don't have to get distracted. So the charging case has 24 hours battery life, but the earpods themselves have 5 hours, and it takes about 3 to 2 hours to completely charge them, according to me. And you get a manufacturer's parts warranty for 1 year, and you get a labor warranty for 1.5 years. That's basically all the features you get for this AirPods. Now I'll just show you how to connect this with other devices. Since I have a Windows device right now, let me just show you how to connect it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this. Let me just go to settings. So I've just gone into settings. Now let's go to add Bluetooth or other device. Before we press this, let us just open this. It should be beeping this, but since it can't be connected just like this, since it's only compatible with Apple devices, for other devices you should just hold this button until it flashes red, until it flashes white, then you'll be good to go. Just hold it for about 3 to 4 seconds. Then even if you leave it, it's going to do white. Then let's press this. You see I got this. So let me just connect it, and you will be seeing it here. And that's it, you're good to go. So those are all the features which you can get, and thank you for watching the videos, guys, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. See you later.